Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with topic real numbers of class 10th. Fifth question. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number. Okay. To prove this sum, we need to assume that the given irrational number is a rational number, and we need to proceed. Okay. Let us assume that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. If at all it was a rational number, how it will be? It should be in the form of p by q form, right? So I have mentioned here root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q form. It is a rational number by our assumption. Okay. Therefore, root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q, that is irreducible, means where p comma q are co-primes. Okay. Since it is a co-primes, we get the HCF equal to 1, guys. Okay. Now, making root 2 as subject, we get p by q minus root 3. Keep it as equation 2. Now, squaring on both sides, we get root 2 whole square equal to p by q minus root 3 whole square. Okay, now RHS part is in which form? A minus b whole square form. Here square root get cancelled in LHS side. Okay, therefore 2 equal to p square by q square minus 2p by q into root 3 plus 3. I explained in a minus b whole square format. So rearranging the terms. So we get making p square plus q square as subject case. Okay. 2p by q root 3 equal to p square plus q square plus 3 minus 2. Okay. Now, since it is an equality condition, cancel one q here. In the last step also we can cancel. Okay. Here 3 minus 2 we got 1. This step is same. So 2p root 3 is equal to, taking LCM here, p square plus q square by q square. But here q is there, here q square is there. We can cancel one q here. So we get root 3. I am sending this 2p also here. So root 3 equal to p square plus q square by 2pq. But root 3 is a irrational number which cannot be expressed as a p by q form. But we got RHS part as p square plus q square by 2pq. That is p by q form, right? So how it is possible? So not possible, right? Therefore root 3 cannot be expressed as p by q form. Therefore our assumption is wrong, guys. Therefore root 2 plus root 3 cannot be a rational number. Therefore root 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this video once again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.